All right, number 4, we are doing a word problem. The table shows the number of blocks Blaine has in different shapes. So he has all these different shapes. What is the maximum number of groups of blocks that Roger can make if each group has an equal number of each shape? And what we're saying is we want to have lots of different groups, or as many as we can make, out of these different shapes, but each group has to have the same number of shapes. We have 3 triangles in one group, we have to have 3 triangles in the next group. We have 4 rectangles in one group, we have to have 4 rectangles in each other group. So this key word here is maximum. Does that sound like least common denominator or greatest common factor? Maximum means greatest, so we're going to be finding the greatest common factor. So we're going to start by listing out our factors for each one of these numbers. So we'll do that just like this. 12 has 1 and 12 are guaranteed factors of 1 and of 12. 2 and 6 are guaranteed factors of 12. 3 and 4 are factors of 12, and that leaves nothing in between, so that's all of them. 1 and 24 are guaranteed factors of 12. 2 and 12 are factors of 24. 3 and 8, 3 times 8 gives us 24. 4 times 6 gives us 24. Nothing times 5 gives me 24, and that means there's nothing in between, so we're done. 1 and 32 are factors of 32. 2 and 16, because 2 times 16 gives us 32. 3 does not go into 32, so we won't worry about that. 4 does go into 32. 4 times what? 8. 4 times 8 gives us 32. 5 does not give us 32. Nothing times 6 gives us 32. Nothing times 7 gives us 32, so that's it. These are all of our factors. So let's find the common ones. So we have a common factor in 2. We have a common factor in 1 as well, but we never count 1. Just don't think about it. 3 is not a common factor. 4 is a common factor here. 6 is a common factor of 12 and 24, but not 32. 8 is a common factor of 24 and 32, but not number 12. 12 is a common factor of 12 and 24, but not 32. Looks like our greatest common factor is going to be 4. Our greatest common factor is 4. So we'll be able to make 4 of these groups with the same number of shapes in each group. That's it.